Have you heard about ClaudeBot? Have you heard about Claude Cowork? OpenClaw? Moltbook? Everyone's going crazy for agents right now. The world has completely changed in the last couple of weeks. And as entrepreneurs, we need to understand how this works, what it means for our business, and how we can stay secure while unlocking unprecedented efficiency for you and your organization. I've been diving deep into these agents for the last 2 weeks, and wow, just unbelievable. And I can't wait to share with you all of the things that I've learned about setting up your own agents, either on a Mac Mini or on a virtual private server. So make sure you attend our next workshop. It's taking place on March 12th. And we're going to go through a high-level strategic overview of what are these new agents, what do they mean for your team, what does it mean for efficiency, how can you lock down security and take advantage of these. So look forward to seeing you on March 12th.